What's up, guys?
What's going on, guys?
Cold ass Tuesday.
It is Hiccup Tuesday.
What?
Hiccup Tuesday, and I got this in the mail yesterday, so I thought I would try it. Warrior Wasp by Miller Time Family Foods and Gardening. Not sure what the flavor's supposed to be, but I'm going to assume it is pepper forward, since its name is Warrior Wasp. Good assumption, right? And we are going to try Mama Wolf's Watermelon Heat. Sean sent this. He hasn't released it yet. He doesn't think he likes it. So we're going to try it. Let him know what we think. If there's anything to improve on.
And then I guess it's Tink Tuesday.
Oh, you going to do a little tink?
I'm going to do a little tink.
Alright, let's do this first.
Much okay.
So we don't ruin the tasty buds. Little poof.
My taste buds are always ruined.
It smells good. It smells like watermelon and habanero.
Okay. It smells a little bit on the sour side. Why did the sun just come out?
I don't know. It was snowing and now it's sunny. Interesting. There's something in it.
Had to pull my shades.
I mean, there's vinegar, I'm sure.
It smells a little sour.
But there's a little something in it, I feel. Alright, let's see what the pour is like here. He wanted it cold, and it's cold, so it's a little thicker now.
A little thick.
It thickened up in the cold.
Yeah, let me just swipe my finger on.
I'm going to take a little bit more than just a finger swipe. Okay.
What? That tastes like a candy, but I can't put my finger on the candy. Is that with like fresh watermelon or like watermelon extract?
It's extract.
It's a little bit of that watermelon like artificial taste at the end. I think that's what's throwing me off. You know what I mean?
There's something in there. There's some weird flavor that I'm not putting a finger on what it is. It definitely has like a slight artificial flavor. A little burn, not too overwhelming. I tried a little bit more with them. What you did. So you can actually like.
It's definitely the artificial flavor. It's the artificial cake aftertaste. I'm still processing.
I know.
That's what's bothering me. It's not bad, but it's not like.
For some reason, I want to say
that a little bit.
A little less on the extract flavor. Maybe add a little fresh watermelon if you can.
Yeah.
I honestly want to say add some basil. Maybe a little bit of basil. It'll help get rid of that artificial flavor a little bit.
So it kind of tastes like when I was on keto for a little bit, they had a sugar-free, which was made with all artificial sugars, a watermelon Jolly Rancher. And that's what that tastes like.
Kind of.
Because it's got like that Splenda-y aftertaste.
It's good. But I would go with your instinct and go the other way that we talked about. Adjust a little bit. I see what you're saying with why Mama Wolf was not happy with the flavor. I can see why.
Yeah. I mean, a
not
good
bad.
start.
Yeah.
It is a very good start.
It is good. It's good, but I see improvement for sure.
And that's the thing when you're trying a new thing. You have to get honest feedback to adjust.
For some reason, I think basil would be good in that. It would give it that fresh little taste. It would cover the artificial a little bit. The habanero, the heat level is good. It's not super hot.
I like the habanero.
Not super hot at all, but you still get the little tingle. A normal person would probably think it's a little hot.
Yeah.
But everybody could try it.
Like, my mom would probably panic.
Maybe
But then be like, oh, it's okay.
Yeah, right. All right.
Okay.
But the flavor isn't terrible.
No, it's too
I do want to say it. It's just got that weird aftertaste. Like most things
It's just
with artificial.
Just kind of like my
Okay,
taste.
so it definitely is pepper forward.
It takes time.
I'm not going to do a whole lot. Nice clarity.
You want to see not clear?
It's got that peppery smell. I like pepper.
The not clear. The clarity is non-existent.
The chalky narrow. You doing a whole Robbie?
Hell no.
Oh, your tolerance is up.
Do you remember this is not a full Robbie type of tink because it's got the little flakes and I inhaled them?
You inhale everything. It don't matter what it is. All right, do your tank. Get your tolerance up, as Andy says, and doesn't do.
Same, Andy. Same.
By the way, if you guys haven't watched our last video, it's funny. It's funny. People seem to enjoy it, so check it out if you haven't.
And no, I will not be making that a ringtone. Thank you, Uncle.
Oh. Ooh.
Oh. Because it sat for so long without moving, the pepper went a little bit more ahead now.
This is good. If you like pepper forward things, this is good. Trying to think of what pods we use. Good stuff. Dark pods. It's definitely Reaper. Hit my throat a little bit.
Mine is definitely a mixed tank.
So there should be a live tonight from Capsaicin Clinic. A little after 8. He's doing it at work, he said.
Wait, what?
Yeah, he's got scheduled today.
You're brave, sir.
Ooh, all right. That's a pretty warm tank. That's good. So we're waiting on everyone else to do the challenge. Super excited.
Super excited.
All right. Well.
But if y'all throw up, put a warning. Please. Please.
Can't do a warning if it's live.
Okay, well, I know Justin will at least, most likely not. I'm looking at one person in particular.
All right, guys. Have a good day.
Good day, mate.
Good day.